Okay, so if you reached this section of the video, this is the review part for the hair that I installed. I know people normally wait months to do a review, but I don't need to wait months to do this review because this hair, I give it a freaking 2 out of 10, okay? And I only give it a 2 because I could actually do something with it. So number one, the hair is thin. Look, I don't even have to write none of this down. The hair is very, very thin. I'm gonna try to insert some clips from my TikTok because I did install the wig on there as well, like shorter clips. The hair is really thin. It does not hold a curl. It did take bleach, but that's just, I don't know. It took bleach, but it could have been better. The lace is thick. Like, the lace is thick, okay? I don't know what's going on. I plucked and plucked and plucked and plucked and plucked, and it still looked a little crazy. So you're gonna have to do excessive plucking. But my main thing is the hair. Oh yeah, and it was supposed to be 180 density. It was not, because like I said, it was thin. So I ended up adding some tracks into the hair, cutting it to make it, to give it like some type of volume, and added some curls. When I add the curls, I had to use a I had to use some perma rods to hold the curls in until I was ready to go. And throughout the night, the curls did fall. Like they fell mad quick. And normally, of course, everybody knows like hair, when you, like certain hair is gonna fall, but like the curls fell too quick and they didn't really hold. Like they didn't hold when I was just trying to curl it with the flat iron, with the curling iron. So that really pissed me off. So I really would not recommend anybody getting this hair. And this is the wig that I'm wearing now, because listen, let me tell y'all, I cut it into a bang. Like, I was so frustrated. I tried to cut it into a bang to try to make it look like something, and I'm like, that's not working out. So I literally just ended up taking it off the day after I installed it. That's how mad I was. So I'm like, no, I'm gonna get my money's worth. Like, I spent like $150 or $60 on this wig, 28 inches, and it was supposed to be 180 density. They lied. Amazon, y'all gotta get it together. No, for real. So like I was saying, I added tracks in here. Like I cut the bang, I cut like a complete bang, like bang bang, to try to make it look like something. It was not working out. So I put the wig back on like a few days ago, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna do something to it that's gonna look cute and something that I can rock, because I know I'm a type of person that I can make it work. Like, I can make something shake, and if I can't make something shake out of the wig, that means like we gonna have an issue, okay? And because I had Amazon Prime, like the wig did come fast, so I was so excited, y'all. Like, look, even now it's thin, and I added tracks in here. Like, I added tracks. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end up cutting it into a bob. I like the side swoop and this little thing that I got going up here, but I'm gonna end up cutting into a bob and just rock it like that. I say, if you do order this hair, do not go past 14 inches. Like, this hair is something you strictly order for a bob, and that's it. You don't order this hair for no other reason. And that's exactly why I'm gonna cut it into a bob. So I swooped it. I did what I had to do. I even had to add some pieces in the front to actually swoop it, because like I said, I had cut it into a bob, so the damn hair was short. The wig was already thin, so it being short and thin was not cutting it. So I added some more pieces in the front, swooped it, and did this style. I've had it in for like, I've had this style for like 2 days now. Had it for like 2 days now, and it's cool. But I had to make sure I came back to make this review to let you guys know, yeah, the wig may it might look okay. You know, so crazy, I'm not even gonna front, I really didn't even like the install. Y'all probably gonna tell on my face, like, I really didn't like the install, because like you could tell I was not pleased with the hair. Like, the hair was too freaking thin. So that's probably why the install clip like it's probably short as hell. But yeah, this version is gonna be longer because I need to let y'all know like the ins and out. Like, the only thing about the hair is soft. That's really the only positive thing I gotta say about the hair, is that the hair is soft. That's it. The hair is soft. Other than that, I would not spend my money on this. Like I said, if you looking at it and say, oh yeah, it's cute, don't be mad when you order it. If you're not somebody that could really finesse hair, if you're a beginner, I wouldn't recommend that you get this, because you really got to do a lot of work to make the wig look good. And I'm not telling no lies, okay? You got to do a whole bunch of work to make the wig look good. So like I said, I do not recommend that you guys get this wig. If you do get the wig, do not surpass 14 inches. Use this for just like a specific bob wig. That's it. Don't get it for nothing else, because you're going to be mad as hell, because you're going to have to spend more money on a bundle or two to add it into the wig to make it look fuller. And then you're going to be pissed that the lace is thick. Like, I know it looks good. It looks good on me. It looks good right here because I really had to finesse it. But yeah, y'all, I had to come in and let you guys know how I felt about this wig. Do not recommend. Buy at your own risk. I will only link it below if somebody asks me, because I'm not about to have y'all coming on here saying, oh yeah, I seen her wearing the wig in the video and it looked good, even though she told me that it was a bad wig. I still purchased it and now I'm not satisfied. It don't work like that. So like I said, buy at your own risk, but I do not recommend buying. And to the seller, if you see this, okay, bye y'all.